Mission Plastic Solution, an advocacy campaign that aims to influence what we do with single-use plastics within the campus and eventually in our households and communities. Collectively, the entire MCL community should be able to contribute in addressing plastic waste problems by doing something useful and practical. What are eco-bricks? Eco-bricks are plastic or PET bottles stuffed solid with non-biological waste to create a reusable building block for various purposes such as modular furniture, garden spaces, and even full-scale buildings such as schools and houses. How to make eco-bricks? Get your plastic ready. Use only clean and dry plastic such as styrofoam, bags, packaging, straws, and cellophane. Choose your bottle. Get your sticks ready. Avoid sharp-cornered sticks as they can rupture the bottle and you can get splinters and blisters on your hand. No metal, no glass, no paper, and no biodegradables. Pack the bottle tight, mix plastics as you go. Cut up big plastics into smaller pieces. Weigh your eco brick to ensure quality. Label your eco brick. Turn over your eco brick. Always remember that by doing this, you are contributing to the solution of an environmental, economic, and social problem that is bound to affect future generations. Your action today will make an important difference tomorrow. So enjoy the process and let's complete this mission. Because here at MCL, sustainability is in our DNA.